I don't even know what I'm looking at, said the young man in the parking lot as he pulled up. I think he was talking about the car. Yes, we've been out and about in the Stratos doing a little Christmas shopping for cold and sinus stuff because I've got a terrible cold. So it's the missus. So sit back and enjoy a little driving video and then we'll get on to the serious stuff. More news. I've got to be honest, it's not great. I've got a stinking cold, but every time I go out in this car, I try and capture it for some of you who appreciate it. And Mr. Dungeon, if you're still watching, you're probably not going to like it. He's not watching. Somewhat random camera angles, but you've got to try these things, right? Anyway, news. I said I had news. Well, yes, I've been talking to some of you, as I said last time. And one of the questions that was posed was about the partly assembled situation that my car was delivered in and how to go about that with customs and things like that. I was a little bit curious because obviously Lister Bell and Hawk kind of take care of that for you. But this guy was coming at it from a different angle, and quite a clever one at that. Yes, I shall refer to him as T-Bone, so as not to give the game away. Anyway, what he's going to do is actually disassemble a European car and ship the body and chassis as one, and the motor and transmission as another. Very smart, very clever. Yes, he's found a left-hand drive vehicle in Europe somewhere and is tearing it apart as we speak, hopefully. So, good luck, T-Bone. I hope it goes well. If you need any help with customs and clearance and all that kind of stuff, I spent an entire day of my life dealing with them, so I have a little bit of knowledge and I can put you in touch with some brokers and what have you. I had hoped we'd have some more photography from our friend Memphis Larson, but apparently what you've seen is what you get, and that's it. So we might be doing another shoot in the new year. Stay tuned. And of course we'll be doing some more driving. I have some more silly ideas for that too. So as always, thanks for watching. Give the video the thumbs up, subscribe down here, and Happy New Year. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.